Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing immigration checkpoints here in Thailand and the end of an era, if you will. A recent article from The Nation, nationmultimedia.com, titled New Immigration Head Clamps Down on Visa Tips, quote unquote. Quoting directly, the new head of Thai immigration, Major General Surachat Hakpan, known as Big Joke in the media, has begun implementing his tough anti-corruption message at immigration. Quoting further, pictures posted on the immigration Facebook page showed a permanent sign at an airport that said, "No tips, please." The message was also in a graphic with Royal Thai Police insignia behind the Thai Immigration Bureau at the bottom. It should be noted that these signs were issued in both English and Chinese. They were written in both English and Mandarin. In and of itself, this isn't really that big of news. We discussed in a prior video that this has been going on down at the southern border checkpoint. They've been discouraging so-called tipping in the past down there. I think overall this is just going to be a practice that'll probably simply be phased out. But what it is indicative of an overarching trend here in the kingdom of a tougher stance with respect to immigration, whereas once it was viewed as something akin to almost an administrative matter, it's my opinion that more and more the paradigm has shifted with respect to how they view immigration and immigration violations. I believe it's viewed more and more as a law enforcement issue, and those who are caught in immigration violation are being punished much more severely than in the past, including incarceration, blacklisting, prolonged blacklisting, indefinite blacklisting, but also sort of littler things like this tipping custom, which, as I noted before, did happen a lot along certain border checkpoints. They're now putting up signage everywhere to make it abundantly clear that that practice will no longer be tolerated. Again, it's just sort of it's one component of sort of a greater mosaic that leads me to believe that moving forward, immigration checkpoints, immigration in general, the enforcement mechanism that sort of underlies both the policy aspects and as well as sort of the personnel aspects of immigration, they're just simply getting tighter. Everything is becoming, I won't say more difficult, but it's becoming more regularized, more centralized. And as a result, certain practices which were sort of turned a blind eye to in the past are now essentially being discouraged, and not only discouraged, but active enforcement measures are being taken to punish possible violators of the rules as they're being implemented.